Huge California wildfire tears through 5,000 acres every hour. An enormous wildfire is spreading rapidly in Northern California. The park fire started on Wednesday. It has burned over 350,000 acres. Only 10% is contained. A man was arrested for starting the fire. About 3,700 firefighters are battling the blaze. Steep terrain and wind gusts fuel the fire. Embers spark spot fires ahead of the main blaze. Governor Newsom declared a state of emergency. Federal assistance is provided. 134 structures are destroyed. 4,200 are under threat. Mandatory evacuations are in place. The fire is one of many burning across the U.S. and Canada.